most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
And we are weather aware into tonight as this light wintry mix will move through the region. Many will see a mix of some freezing rain and sleet, tapering off as some light snow showers through the day on Friday. Thankfully, there's limited moisture with this, and the amounts will be light, but anytime we're talking about icing, yeah, it could certainly further affect road conditions. So we have the freezing rain opportunity is medium, snow accumulations low to medium, and additional travel concerns into low to medium, because I don't think it'll be everywhere that sees the icing threat, but I do think it is certainly possible. And thankfully, power outage is low. We're not talking about a lot of freezing rain potential across the area to weigh down those power lines. Additional power outages. I know some still may have some out. Here's where you need to be careful. Again, this is the Western Avenue Bridge that crosses over I-40 from downtown, the Ellen and STEM Academy here. When it has that sheen to it, it could just be wet, but it also could be icy as we go through the night. Moisture continues to feed in from the west, a steadier moisture just now making its way through the mid-state and heading our way. So really between now and just past midnight is our best opportunity to see this moisture moving through. We're 32 now, Knoxville and Maryville, down to 30 in Oak Ridge. And this kind of almost pinkish purple, that's the freezing rain and sleet we've been reporting across the area. Got one report out of the Petros area from Jim West that his sidewalk and driveway now are frozen because of the sleet and freezing rain which moved through. In our forecast model here, kind of picking up on that, the road conditions, that pink, are icy conditions, as you can see. So watch I-75 going up into Campbell County, as we're also seeing pavement temperatures getting close to, if not below, 32 degrees in these areas. So from 8 o'clock through 11 o'clock tonight, that's our best opportunity for this steadier moisture moving through. Shortly after midnight, it turns more into just a patchy drizzle, and many will see temperatures actually climb a little bit as we go into the early morning hours on Friday. This is 4 a.m. That doesn't last long. The Arctic push comes in just after sunrise, and really the rest of the day, temperatures will be dropping. We'll see some light snow showers the first half of the day. This is lunchtime, but they will continue pretty much all day in the higher elevations of the mountains, and especially along the Kentucky-Virginia border. So freezing rain potential, we're not looking at a lot, but it doesn't take much to cause issues. Probably trace amounts to less than 1/10 of an inch where the areas are shaded in pink across the region here. As I mentioned, on the backside of this, that's when we'll see some snow moving through. Dusting's possible as far south as the Blount-Monroe County border northward. More likely higher elevations of the Smokies above 3,000 feet, especially in that purple. That's easily some 1 to 3, maybe close to 4-inch total. So as I mentioned, the Harlan County, Lee County, Virginia border. And then on the plateau, inch or less, but these lighter blues could be slightly more than that. So not a huge amount of snow compared to what we have, but it is kind of salt to the open wound, if you will. Then we're talking cold by Saturday morning, single digits and teens again, which means everything freezes over and not much of a thaw, only teens and 20s for highs on Saturday. So this is another shot of Arctic air coming in, and stays quite cold. 6 on Sunday morning, 31. At least we've got sunshine on Sunday afternoon, and then the thaw kicks in next week. Near 50 Tuesday, mid 50s Wednesday, and low 60s Thursday.